going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back with another Copart walk around. Let's jump into this today with number one on my list, a 2009 BMW 335. Yes. It's only got 119,000 miles on the odometer. She's got good tires. The paint, well, leaves a little bit to be desired. She's got what looks like some aftermarket exhaust. She's got a little bit of damage on the passenger side. Not too bad from what I can tell. The paint is awful. Like, the paint is absolutely awful. The window, yeah, it's got some problems. Mainly this right here and this suspension right here. Definitely got something going on. She took a hard hit up here. We'll need to look at the strut tower and see if we can see any damage on that. But as far as something you could just throw back together and take down the road, this would be a little beast. This is a monster of a car, man. Oh, wow, it's an automatic, though. Well, I guess I had just assumed it was a manual transmission. That's what I get for assuming. I should have known better. That's okay. It's an automatic. That's fine. She's still a beast, guys. She's still a beast of a car. We got no bags blown. Let's pop the hood. Let's see if we got any aftermarket goodies. 9 times out of 10 on these, by this mileage and this age, somebody's already put some of their own money into it, which is great because you get things like cold air intakes. Who doesn't like cold air intakes? What I would like is to open the dadgum hood. Oh, somebody's. Yeah, well, there you go. That's what I was looking for. Yes, somebody has, or did they do cold air intakes, or did they just throw cone filters onto the stock intakes? I think that's what they did. They just threw cone filters onto the stock tubes. That's all right. Looks like somebody had replaced the strut on this side. Maybe they did this after the accident because this has stickers all over it. Interesting. What about this side? No, this side does not. So somebody's done something. Let's throw a jump on it. I have got to hear, I got to hear this thing run. I got to. Let's do it. Well, isn't that the way it goes? My booster pack is dead. Lovely. I do have another one in the truck, but it requires me to go all the way back out, and I'm not doing it. It says it runs and drives. Sometimes, you know, that can be incorrect, but I'm going to assume this one runs. You should never do that, by the way. Never assume. But I'm going to assume this one runs, man. You could send this thing down for a fresh paint job, replace whatever is damaged or broken up in there. I wouldn't be too concerned with any of this. The gaps to me look good. You could stick that bumper back together. I'm telling you, man, you got you a machine right here. I'm going to keep my eyes on this one. I really am. I say that about a lot of cars, but the Porsche Cayenne S, I am highly interested in that if I can get it for a good price. If not, it's no big deal. I'll let it go down the road. This one, I'd be very interested in getting my hands on this one. I don't know what's going on up here. That's gnarly right there. But, you know, aside from some dead rubber and needing some paint and what looks like a tad bit of suspension work, this is a sick little 335, man. I guarantee you, get that suspension squared away, this thing's a little rocket ship. Moving on. I don't know why this is on my list. I really don't. But here it is, a super lime green Chevy Spark pedal car, 2014 pedal. Interesting. I like that, though. Dreamcatcher with a wolf in it, 113,000 miles. This is probably going to be, I don't know, I could be wrong, but it's probably going to be the timing belt motor, the 1.4, probably through the timing belt. And that's most likely why this was sent to pedal. Once that timing belt goes, well, it's an interference engine, and the rest is history. That's pretty much the end of the car. Yeah, she's a little rough, isn't she? Ooh, wow. Oh, I don't want to touch. There's wires hanging out back here. Yeah, more wires hanging out over there. I assume those are speaker wires. Let's see what she looks like back. Oh, good Lord. Wow. Wow, that is rough. That is rough. Oh my goodness, yeah. What the hell happened here? What's going on there? It's like somebody cut that out intentionally. That was too perfectly cut for what? What would you have done that for? Oh, there's some tape in here too. What is this? Hold on. Oh, there was a bug stuck to that. Okay. All right. Wow. God, this is really bad. This car is really, really bad. Let's pop the hood. I can't wait. I don't really want to climb into this one. Yeah, she's dead as a doornail. My battery pack is dead, so we can't jump start it. That's fine though. I don't really want to. I'm pretty certain this car probably, honestly, doesn't run. This is not a timing belt motor. It's not, but someone did put one of them aftermarket jobs on there. Runs all the way through the fender, so if you get into some nice water, splashes it right up into the intake and kills the engine. Yep, those cold air intakes, man, I'm telling you, well worth the money. Well worth the money. Can you believe that? This little thing, you needed to put a cold air intake on this. Get out of here, man. Get out of here. That is ridiculous. Oh, wow, that oil is severely overfilled. Yep. Gee, I really wonder if the engine has water in it. I really believe it probably does. I do. I bet money the engine's got water. I wish my jumper pack had a little jump in it, had a little bit of juice left. I would go ahead and try to crank this one over. I'd almost put money on it. This thing's probably locked up. Look, they even put the damn DC Sport. Really? Really? On a Chevy Spark? Come on, man. Some of these people you're doing too much, man. You're doing too much. That's okay though. We're done looking at this one. Let's go see if we can find something a little more interesting to look at. Well, guys, unfortunately, that's all I got for you today. That's it. We're running out of cars, man. I got one more video to record, or I try to find you another one. That's it. That's all I got. I appreciate you guys taking time to watch, though. If you enjoy the videos, hit the thumbs up button to let me know that you enjoy the content. I would truly appreciate it. Stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.